Hey guys, welcome back. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Bri Wednesday, and please don't you forget to click on the subscribe button, click on that like button, and don't forget to leave a comment down below when you're done watching the video. And may I say welcome to the family. So now let's get down to today's video. So hey guys, today I'll be showing you my hair wash day routine. In this video I'll be showing you everything I do from start to finish and how I'm able to wash and set my hair by myself at home. So now I'll be taking my comb and I'll be parting my hair into different sections, because when you part your hair, then you can be able to take out your hair section by section to wash and apply your products. So I'll be twisting out the first button. I'll just twist that up now. And while that's done, I just do the same parts again and I twist it out. And I just did the rest out of camera side so that I won't bore anyone with much details. And I'll be twisting up this last section, and then I'll be showing you how my hair is. And this is how my hair is sectioned into 6 parts. You can section it as many as you want, depends on the length of your hair. So I'll be loosening out that braid, and I'll get a spray bottle with a warm water in it to spray on my hair to allow my hair pores open up to take in anything I put. And then I'll be making use of my Elan hair shampoo today, and I'll just apply that down from my roots and apply straight up to my hair, and I'll be rubbing it down and I'll massage it into my hair scalp. And this is how you massage the hair. You can also make use of a hair massage brush, but I don't have that now, so I just use my hands to massage my hair to allow blood flow through my hair, and which is also good for hair growth and blood circulation on your hair. And while I do that, I am going to twist it out as well. So as you can see, I'm twisting out my hair. And I didn't really like it, so I had to retwist because it wasn't so tight. So I did the twisting again, and while that's done, I move to the next portion of my hair, and I also add in my shampoo into my hair with a warm water, and then I add the shampoo and massage my hair as well. You can see that I'm massaging it, and while I'm done massaging that, I just twist it out. Now that that's done, I also do the same thing with the other portion, and then I also apply my shampoo on the hair and I twist it out, and I'll be doing that with the rest portions of my hair. So I actually love doing this outside the shower because it's less messy because of water, but you can also do it in your shower if you're about to take your bath. So I'll just twist out this last portion and then massage it round my hair, like I said, to allow blood flow in your hair, and which is also good for hair growth. So to all my virgin hair members, this is actually good. And then I wash it out. So after doing this, and please take note, this can also be a hair regimen for both relaxed hairs and hairs that are not relaxed. And I'll be using my Elan hair conditioner now, applying that on my hair, and I'll be squeezing it in to allow the product to go into my hair because I have a low porosity hair. And if you don't know the porosity of your hair, you can leave that below at the comment section. I'll be sure to do a video on how to know the type of hair you have in order for you to know what regimen suits your hair. So I'll just apply that conditioner to my hair, and I'll use my hands to tangle my hair. I love using my fingers because it helps reduce hair loss. As you can see, there's no much hair in my hand, so I just love using my fingers to detangle my hair. You can also use your comb, but I love using my fingers. It works for me, and you can do whatever works for you. So I'll just twist that out as well. And I'll be doing the same thing with the other portions of my hair. Apply my conditioner, squeeze it in, and twist out. Don't forget to use your comb or your fingers to detangle your hair while you are applying shampoo, and I twist that out as well. So I decided to do the rest behind cameras, and then I'll twist out this last portion, and then I'll be making use of a polythene bag. So you can get a polythene bag, 2 or 3, but I make use of one, and my bonnet. So I'll be putting that on my hair. This is actually good for deep conditioning your hair. And then I put my bonnet just to make the heat, and I wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I wash up my hair. So hey, I'm back. I washed my hair while I was in the shower, and then I used a cloth to wrap my hair while I got dressed. And then now I'll be making use of my leave-in conditioner from Mega Growth. I actually love their leave-in conditioner because it actually makes my hair so soft, and it leaves a good moisture in my hair. As you can see, my scalp is looking really sparkling, and my hair is so soft. And I'll take that one portion and divide it into different portions, and then I braid it. You can do a twist, but I prefer braid. I actually do a braid on mine. I comb that out and I braid it. And you can do a twist if that's what you want. And when I do that, I just twist that up, or I braid it out, and I leave it. So I do the same thing again. I braid it out, just adding a little more leave-in conditioner, and I did the rest behind cameras because, like I said in the beginning, I don't want to bore anyone with too much details, and I don't want to make the video look too long for you. So I just did that, and I just massage my hair, and I'll be making use of my Elan hair oil. I love this oil because it's a combination of different oils: castor oil, hair oil, good for hair growth, and vitamin E. I just applied that into my hair root, and then I massage it into my hair, and I let that sit in for a day. I just go and I'll just rest for the night, and I'll be back in the morning to loosen. Just use my satin bonnet and wear that on my hair till the next day. And hey, I'm back. I'll get my bonnet out and I'll just loosen out my braids. But before I do that, I love to add in a little water. Like I said, warm water. It's actually good to open the pores of your hair. Apply in warm water, and I love to add a shea butter on my hair for shine, and it's actually also good for hair growth. So I did my shea butter on my hair for a little shine, and then I also move in with applying my moisturizer to let it stick in as well. I just rub that around, massage it to my hair, and loosen out the braids. While you lose out your braids, depends on the length of your hair. While you lose it, you just use your comb to detangle, because it's actually good to comb your hair in sections. But I actually loosened mine out first before I combed. As you can see, my hair is actually a little bit short, so I just take it out, use my hair to stretch it out, and I just use my initiative to map out segments and comb it out. While I do that, I'll just pack my hair out with the lovely style I love doing. I'll just do that. So now that that's done, I just style my edges, and I can get this hair out for 2 to 3 days before I twist them in again and cover them up, in order not to kill the tip of my hair. And if you want to know how I style my edges, you can just say that below at the comment section, and I'll be sure to do that. So hey, that's how I do my wash day for my hair, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye, see you.